Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. We have seen the company Brother has created many best sewing machines for the beginners, intermediates and for the experienced sewists. The price of Brother's sewing machines vary from machine to machine as more as the number of features, higher will be the cost. But we are talking about the budget sewing machines, so I'll talk about the one that you can purchase within your budget. The Brother XM2701 Lightweight Sew Advance is one of the best choices for the beginners as well as intermediates if the sewing machine is being purchased for home use only. This lightweight sewing machine has 27 stitches options that you can easily switch between with the help of a knob. It is one of the features under this price range that makes Brother XM2701 a choice to buy. You'll hardly find any other sewing machine with this price tag having 27 stitching options. The other important this is the option of heavy stitch selector, which gives you the choice to choose perfect stitch pattern as you need for your project. It also has an automatic needle threader which accompanies an easy threading system and makes it easy to use. At number 2. Brother XM1010 Machine. The Brother XM1010 has a super easy bobbin winding system that makes it easier to use even for the sewist who just started. The location of the upper thread and along with the bobbin set in the winder is just what you would be looking for in a good sewing machine. It has built-in the free arm for your usage. This will help you a lot with stitching children's clothes. Another good sewing machine for the beginners and intermediates under the said price range is Brother XM1010 Sewing Machine. It comes with 10 unique stitches options built in and 4-step automatic buttonhole to make button without any problem. This lightweight sewing machine comes with reserve sewing option and has a built-in free arm for sleeves and cuffs. The sewing machines are just like other machines and need to be taken care of. They shouldn't be left unused for a very long time. However, if it remained unused, cleaning and oiling your sewing machine is essential. It helps the sewing machine's parts to function smoothly. Regular oiling and cleaning of a sewing machine can increase life. Oiling is something that will help with better performance as well. At number 3. Brother CS6000i 60-stitch Sewing Machine. Brother manufactures top-quality sewing machines for everyone. Let it be a beginner, intermediate or an expert. That is the reason why I've included third Brother sewing machine in my list. This is designed so well and comes with 60 built-in stitches and a carrying case to carry it from one place to another without any problem. This is one of the best mid-prices range sewing machine that has illuminated workspace so that you can stitch stuff even in dim light. It also comes with easy threading technology that will make sewing super easy even for the beginners. The most important thing which I like about Brother CS6000 sewing machine is a built-in 60 stitching that will help you sew dresses, covers etc. The ability to stitch 850 stitches per minute, quick setup bobbin, lightweight are some other important features of this sewing machine. Brother CS6000i can be a good choice for the beginners as well for the experts because of the features this sewing machine comes out with. The 7-style one-step buttonhole will help you make buttons pretty easy and in different styles. At number 4. Singer 4432. The Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine is a real workhorse and one of the best and top sewing machines under $200,200. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed plate, extra high sewing speed, and powerful motor, it can sew through various heavy-weight fabrics. Convenient features include: the Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine has a built-in reverse lever so you can sew in reverse and reinforce stitches. Limited 90 DAY for adjustments, belts, rings, bulbs, attachments. Limited 2-year for motors, light assembly, wiring, switches, speed control, and electronic components. Limited 25-year for sewing machine head. At number 5. Singer Simple 3232. The Singer Simple 3232 portable sewing machine is the perfect sewing machine for beginner sewists. Its basic features including a built-in needle threading, quick and easy threading, and quick sewing setup for sewing length and width with fast 32 built-in stitches, a built-in one-step buttonhole, and various included accessories to make sewing creative projects fun. It provides enough to make it easy. An online owner's class video is available to you anytime if you need a little help. It is one of the best sewing machines under $200, so you can buy it without any hesitation. The Singer 3232 portable sewing machine features 32 built-in stitches, a built-in one-step buttonhole, a built-in needle threader, and a heavy-duty metal frame, making sewing creative projects fun and easy. Threading the machine is so easy that you can have the entire machine threaded, from the spool to the needle's eye, in seconds. The built-in needle threader helps you thread the eye of the needle effortlessly. The Singer 3232 sewing machine has a maximum speed of 750 stitches per minute, so larger projects can be sewn quickly. The Singer Simple 3232 sews several layers of thick fabric. The presser foot can be raised to a higher position for easy positioning of your project. At number 6, Singer 4411. The Singer 4411 sewing machine is a real workhorse. With 50% more power and increased speed, Singer heavy-duty sewing machines can handle thicker fabrics and longer seams without breaking the bank. It is one of the best sewing machines under $200 with all metal frames. With Singer heavy-duty 4411 sewing machine, you can get professional results in no time. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow, and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. Singer heavy-duty sewing machine. It has 11 built-in stitches, 6 basic stitches, 4 decorative stitches, 1 built-in buttonhole, perfect for crafts, home decor, fashion sewing, and much more. The needle can be changed to any of the 3 available positions to add zippers or a decorative touch with top stitching and cording. High-quality sewing machine. The heavy-duty metal frame adds stability, and with a strong motor, sewing a higher quantity of items more quickly and efficiently at 1100 stitches per minute is achievable. Sew very lightweight and heavyweight fabrics with ease by adjusting the presser foot pressure. The Singer heavy-duty 4411 sewing machine is a real workhorse.